Hi, are you trying to create a new virtual computer with the exactly same application and configuration that you had before? By installing all the applications and operating system manually? I have a few easier steps that will be helpful for you to create an exact copy of same virtual computer including an application and operating system configuration. You are not required to install an operating system as well as any application in this process. Please do continue to watch this video for further process. Please do like, share and subscribe and do comment if you have any doubts. Okay, now let us start. This is my virtual computer that I have been created already, and if you are not sure how to create a virtual computer, I have shared the link in the description box how to create a virtual computer. Please do watch. Now I am going to try to suspend my virtual computer. To suspend my virtual computer, I am going to do few steps before. Going to start menu and I will open a notepad. In a notepad, I am going to save few tips and I am going to do suspend virtual machine as shown on the screen. The virtual machine is got suspended. Once the virtual machine got suspended, you could able to see that the virtual machine, the present state screen will be displayed there. Now I am going to resume the virtual machine. Once the machine got resumed, you could able to see the screen with the present state even doing without any changes. This feature will be helpful for you if you are not using your virtual computer for a long time. Now for cloning process, I am doing a right click on the virtual computer, select cloning option in a manage. Here the cloning can be done only if the virtual computer is shut down or power off. So I am going to cancel this setup and I am going to power off this virtual computer. To power off the virtual computer, do right click, select power and shut down or power off. Now I am going to do right click, manage and clone. Here click on next and proceed with the process. Here there are two types of clone. One is an independent clone machine and another option is it will create a cloning computer that will depend on parent machine. If the parent machine was deleted or removed, it will be not usable. Now I am going to select a fully independent cloning machine. Click on next and select the name of the virtual computer and path where to be saved and click on finish. The cloning process will take a long time. Once the cloning is completed, you could able to see the cloned virtual computer. Here now cloning is completed, click on close. Then you could able to see the new cloned virtual computer. Now I am going to do power on the cloned virtual computer and let's see. In the login screen, you could able to see my name. That is exactly the same username and password I have given in a previous virtual computer. Once logged in, I could change that. From this you could understand even any application has been installed in this cloned virtual computer will be replicated. Now I am going to shut down this virtual computer and I am going to remove. To remove this virtual computer, do right click and select remove. This will remove only the virtual computer from the workstation screen but not the source file. The source file will be there as it is in the destination path. And now finally I am going to power on my old virtual computer. This is the way to do a cloning process. The cloning process will be very helpful if you require a virtual computer to be used on any other systems or laptops. You can even clone the virtual computer and save it as a backup. That will be helpful for your future use. Even virtual computer can be directly converted to an ISO image format using few converters provided by the VMware directly. In my next video, I will show you how to connect a pen drive directly to a virtual computer, so that it will be helpful for you to transfer a data from physical machine to the virtual computer. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and do comments if you have any doubts. This is Venkat and see you on next video.